Welcome to another amazing video, so let's start. Today, we'll give you a brief overview of how microscopes work and explore their different types and applications. Whether you're a student or just curious, this video will help you understand the basics of microscopes. What is a microscope? A microscope is a tool that magnifies small objects, allowing us to see details not visible to the naked eye. They are essential in fields like biology, medicine, and materials science. Basic principle. Microscopes use lenses to bend light rays and create a magnified image of a small object. This principle relies on the behavior of light and optics. Components of a light microscope. 1. Eyepiece ocular lens **, the lens you look through. 2. Objective lenses **, multiple lenses with different magnifications, for example, for x, 10x, 40x. 3. Stage **, the platform where you place your slide. 4. Light source **, illuminates the specimen. 5. Focus knobs **, adjust to bring the specimen into clear view. Types of microscopes **, light microscope. How it works uses visible light passed through lenses. Example use observing cells like onion cells. Electron microscope. How it works uses beams of electrons for higher magnification. Types TEM transmission electron microscope for internal structures. SEM scanning electron microscope for surface details. Example use TEM for studying metal structures, SEM for detailed images of cell surfaces. Fluorescence microscope. How it works uses high-intensity light to excite fluorescent molecules in the specimen. Example use medical research to observe proteins and cells labeled with fluorescent dyes. Confocal microscope. How it works uses laser light and a pinhole to focus on a specific plane, providing a sharp image. Example use neuroscience for visualizing complex brain structures. Practical applications **. 1. Medicine **, diagnosing diseases by identifying pathogens. 2. Environmental science **, examining microorganisms in water samples. 3. Forensic science **, analyzing trace evidence like fibers and hair. For materials science **, studying nanomaterials and their properties. Conclusion **, microscopes have revolutionized our understanding of the microscopic world. From cells to nanomaterials, these tools are crucial for scientific advancement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting science content. Leave a comment if you have questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. Keep exploring the wonders of science. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Goodbye.